What's your problem again from FlipaClip?
Actually, it's a speed.
Oh, you use this one. See?
Okay.
You can have a 20 speed. And now you can create project. Another speed thing is, look, you want this line to be much longer. In there. Before it moves.
Okay.
And now it can move. Like this. Or you can do this.
Ooh! How can you do that?
You use this rope. Which is like cut.
Okay.
Hey, shush, we're doing a tutorial. Shimerzel's here, Timodee's here. Now we can move this. And if you wanted to stop again.
Hey guys!
Pick up, let's get out of here, you scared me.
But how can you do a FlipaClip drawing?
Oh, you have to practice.
I do not do drawing on the iPods.
Tablets or iPads. And look, it stops and you can move it again.
No, goosey.
That's how you do speed.
Okay.
And look, you can go to frames view and you can duplicate more. You hold and then you can do some stuff.
Okay.
You can delete. You can have another frame. New frame there. Or you can press this and it duplicates again. See? There's
Ooh.
more of them.
That's epic. So that's how can you do
Or
speed?
you can do, just erase this out. Okay. And now you can teleport to the frame much more faster.
Hey, can I do it?
Oh, sure. Okay, here.
Yeah.
Oh, you're in the rope.
It's a man.
Stick man. It stops and then it's gonna move again.
Yeah.
No, or you can do this. You use the rope, circle the whole thing, and press the delete button. There we go.
Now that feels good.
Yeah, that's much faster. Or there's also a ruler. Look, a ruler of a line, a circle, and a square. You can move them. And if you want it back on shape, you can do this. See?
How can you put it off?
Oh, you press the ruler again.
Okay.
Oh shit.
What am I doing?
I don't know. Oh, it's Yep. Sometimes it's good at my too. Oh, I'm so.
Oh yeah.
Oh no. Practice. They saw my drawings. Oh no. Yay.
Let me do how to animate that thing.
Hey, remember this is a shortcut.
Oh yeah, I do.
Oh shucks. Oh shucks. Oh shucks. Oh shucks. What's happening? They're making it bigger.
Okay.
Come on, just do a circle.
Okay.
I'll do it for you. Now press the delete button.
Okay. So this is how I do.
Oh,
I
this is how
do this,
What are you doing?
and I do one step ahead of it, and the
Nope, nope.
shortcut what
And delete.
and delete,
And then
and then I do this on my project.
Okay.
And then the wolf.
the rope.
Okay. And I do this. What's longer?
Okay.
And the wolf.
Wait. Don't
Oh, yeah,
delete it
yeah,
yet. You forgot. Okay, now you can
And the
do
wolf.
And the wolf.
And I
Wolf, wolf.
explode.
Explode.
Yeah.
Don't do the last one.
And the rope.
Rope again.
And
Oh, you forgot the pen.
Yeah, and it turns to the smaller size, to the big size.
Okay.
And
Pen.
the rope.
Pen.
And turn to small size and the big size.
Okay.
And the rope.
Again.
Yeah.
I feel like I need to skip this.
Yeah. Wait, what?
You're repeating it more.
So,
Don't worry, if you want to delete it much faster, you hold and then you tap some more. There you go.
how much?
Okay, now you can press the delete button.
Okay.
And you press the check again, and you go here.
Okay. And
Okay.
delete this. And it
Hey, Mika, stop playing with the light! Sorry!
now let's play it.
Okay, that's a little bit faster.
Yeah.
But don't worry, if you want to make it slower, we can duplicate some like this. Okay, let's just delete this first because you're not using it. You're not using it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's delete this. Let's add some more frames.
Yeah. How do I duplicate springs?
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, if you want to move like
Ooh, that's
that
really
arrow.
cool.
There you go.
No, thank you for teaching.
Yeah, tutorial. Thanks for being my assistant.
Yeah.
See, look, that's good now.
You're my teacher.
And you can come back and ask me more questions if you want.
Okay.
And see if you're gonna upload another animation while I already told you my tutorial.
Hey, I am uploading by a long time.
You should check out his channel, which is hard to find because
Hey.
he's low.
Okay, you never forget to subscribe and like for him. I mean, her video.
Me.
Yeah. Video.
Okay.
I gotta
His
go.
title is Timodeee Games.
Yeah. Timodeee Game.
Let me try to find it. I'm in YouTube right now, so let's try to find his channel.
Yeah.
Timodeee Games. And that's his channel right there. It's
Yeah.
the Stickman. So this is the animation he did. Not so bad.
No.
It's like Pac-Man.
Okay.
I like that transformation. That's so cool.
Yeah.
And this one too is so nice. Whoa! And whoop! And what up?
You must post it because it will be fast.
And look, you have a new comment.
Yeah.
This one is you. This one is Mirandol. Mirandol, and that's me. I said cool and smooth transformation.
Yeah, it's very smooth.
Oh my gosh, he's animating. He's animating too. He?
Oh, let's see.
Super cringe.
Hi, I'm home.
Hey,
I'm
home. Don't fear the Copa. Oh, I don't want to watch any scary movies.
Yeah,
Nope. Even though it's not. Wow, you've been reacting to me gamers videos, which is also me.
Yeah.
Yep, that's me. Okay, let's stop recording now.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Okay.
Just like I said.
So, what did you learn today? Nothing!